Hello and welcome again to Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly create 3D effects on your text and shapes with Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive in. So as you can see, I have created several 3D objects using the 3D and materials panel. Let me show you how. And starting with the type tool, let's type something here, make it bigger, choose a color and go to Window, 3D and Materials, and you'll see this panel pop up. You have several choices: plane, extrude, revolve, and inflate. Let's start with inflate. Let's change the perspective here, make it isometric right. Okay, as you can see here, we can change the depth. But I want to inflate both sides. You click on inflate both sides. There you go. Let's add some shadows. You go to lighting, shadows here, and switch it on. Now the shadow is casting behind the object. We want to change that. Let's do it below and change where the light is coming from. You could do it either for the presets, or you could just come here and do it the way you want. Let's do it this way. Now when you're done setting it up, you click on this button, render. It renders the object, and there you go. There you have your shadow. Easy, right? Okay, let me show you something else. Now this shape here is a section of a vase. Let me show you how to do this vase. Go to object and revolve. Now it's revolving the shape into its axis, but that's not what we're looking for. You go to offset direction from, choose right edge. There we go. That is the vase we're looking for. Okay, now let's add some lighting. Okay, and the shadow. Let's change that to below object. Change the lighting again. And render. There you go. Now you can even stack these shapes on top of each other. Let me show you how. Let's create this shape here. Let's give it another color. This color is good. And let's go to object and extrude. Let's give it some depth. Okay, so I changed this to isometric right, but as you can see, it's covering the text. So let me just right click and arrange, send to back. There you go. The shadow now is casting on that object. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.